Recently, some customers have reported that the magnetic heads of track lights are prone to loosening. Now, I'm making a video to demonstrate the solution. First, unscrew and remove the magnetic head entirely. Second, straighten out this wire completely. Third, apply a small amount of glue inside the thread. Fourth, rotate the magnetic head several times to prevent the wire from tangling after it is screwed back on. Fifth, align the magnetic head properly and tighten. Sixth, after letting it sit for half an hour, it can be used normally.